Guys, welcome back. So today what I have for you guys is a Splendies unbagging. And for you guys that don't know what Splendies is, it's a panty subscription service. It's $13.99 per month, and you can get either regular panties, you can get thongs, you can get a mixture of both, and they usually have themes. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while and you watch my videos, I used to do unboxings of these or unbaggings of these every so often, but I stopped my subscription service because I thought it was like an unnecessary expense because I had to cut off. So I decided that I wanted to get the February bag so bad because they usually have cute Valentine's Day underwear, and you know how I am with Valentine's Day. So yes, I already did a sneak peek. Sorry guys. So it does come nicely wrapped in, like, of course I broke the wrapping, but it comes like nicely wrapped with like their little Splendies sticker, you know. So let's just unbag. They usually put in 3 panties. As far as I've known, it's always 3 panties. And yes, I'm super excited because yes, they did include exactly what I wanted. Super cute Valentine's Day underwear. All right, so the first one is this one right here. This is a gorgeous red lacy underwear. This is from Wilshire, Montana Intimates, and it's lace all around, as you can see. All right, but it's super cute. That's an adorable underwear. The next one is this beautiful lace one as well, but it has blue roses in the, like, what, embroidery or whatever you call it, and then it has the white lace all around, so it's super chic and feminine and girly and super pretty. And then my favorite, of course, since you know I'm super extra with Valentine's, my favorite is, it looks like it's from Splendies itself. Oh, the other one was from Miss Vicky's Intimates. So apparently this one is from Splendies itself, and it's like a satiny kind of feel. And look at how adorable this is, guys. Tell me this is not absolutely adorable. It has the conversation hearts. It says kiss me, love you, be mine. Oh my god, I can't stand it. And then like the little bow in the front and like the little lace on top, and in the back it's exactly the same. And this is absolutely my favorite because you know I'm super extra with Valentine's Day. So I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. I'm not sure if you can still get the February underwear, but it's nice to, if like you have the extra money that you can pay that subscription service, you get 3 underwear, so, or 3 panties, let's say the sexy word. 3 panties for $13.99, which is not bad, and they're always like super cute and chic and pretty, like this one that I just showed you. Well, all 3 of these are super pretty and super sexy. So if you guys are interested, the link will be down below. And yeah, guys, that's it. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, like, etc., etc. All right, guys, that's it for today. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.